Today I'm going to be telling you some of the things I did in math class. So one of the things I did in math class were draw pictures. So I'm going to show you some of the pictures I drew. I drew 3 in this quarter, and I'm going to show you. This is a picture of me of an arrow shape being tessellated. And tessellation means to tessellate means to cover a certain amount of space without leaving any gaps. So for this tessellation, I just got this arrowy shape, flipped it back and forth until it covered the whole piece of paper. This one is an Archimedean tiling. I used 3 shapes for this. I used diamonds, triangles, and rectangles. Basically, you're tessellating with 3 shapes doing this. So it can't leave any gaps and it has to cover a certain amount of space. This looks like a school of fish to me. That's why I put all the gills and bubbles and eyes and mouth to give it an effect that it is a fish. And I'll show you how to make this in a minute. Another thing we did was Khan Academy, and we did several stacks. All our stacks are in these sections. When these sections are the coordinate plane shapes, transformations, congruences, and similarity. And then again, just transformations. Now I am going to show you how to make all of these drawings. So I'm going to show you how to make the arrow shaped one first. So you start off with a shape like this. Basically draw a rectangle, except the bottom is not going to be flat. So you don't want to use the rectangle shape. You can, but it's kind of better to just use one. So you have that. And you can keep going down. Or let me do it this way. You can keep going down or up, but how do you go to the sides? Well, you basically flip it over. This is one part. Basically that one. Put it like that. So you're making an upside down arrow shape. And you do this back and forth until it looks something like this. Now I'm going to show you how to make my Archimedean tiling that I did. So start out by taking a diamond, then I put rectangles. Rectangles or squares, doesn't really matter. They both work. On both ends and parts of this diamond. And then you have something like this. To me right now it kind of looks like a chicken. But then you see this part right here? We're going to draw a line from this point of the square all the way to the closest points to the diamond. And then we do this in the bottom top all the way around till it looks something like this. Now you can color and do all of that stuff, but how do you keep doing this? You simply just take another diamond, size it to the shape that will fit in this space, then you get your square or rectangle again, put one right there, and put one at the end. Then draw a line for the triangles. And that's how you keep moving forward for this Archimedean tiling. So now I'm going to show you how I did the fish. So I took a square. Of course, I did them smaller than this so I can tessellate them. And then I took a chunk out of this square. Like that. So now it looks like an open box kind of situation. Then I take the eraser and erase this line right here. Then you get this fin shape. Then I take that shape that I just made, doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but I draw the same shape on the front of the square. Again, taking the eraser and erasing this part right here. And now it basically looks like a fish. And how do you tessellate? Well, after you have one fish, it's kind of easy to do it. So for the back square fish, it's going to be in the back or middle, the square. And you don't need to put the face part on the fish because when you erase that one right there, it looks exactly like a fish. Going like swimming past or running into that middle fish. And you draw the same exact design on the back. Erase the line.